Alright, we are live. So as the title says, four ways to, four methods to add icons to your Avalonia UI project. So the first method is using the icon path. This is built in Avalonia. The second one we're going to using the Lucid Icons package. Second one is, I think it's called MahApps. And the last one is using your own custom icons in case of you have your own brand icons. So let's get started with the first one. So if we go to the documentation, so in the music store up here and album view, you can see this icons here, this link. So let's say, let's take a clock as an example. All right, for example, this one, copy it. And let's go to the app.xaml here. And it should be inside application .resource and paste it. Let's paste another one. Okay, home. And that's it. Now we can go to our view. Okay, let's add a stack panel. And here, let's do path icon, and then data, and then static resource. Okay, and then let's start with this one. Okay, we need to build, so Ctrl+Shift+B. All right, as you can see, let's say if we want to add the icon inside the button, so let's add the button, and here copy this, paste it here, and let's add the other icon which said home, regular home. Yes. Okay. Save. Let's center it. Center, and also let's add a background color to transparent. Okay, let's add the space in here. Okay, so this is the path icon. So what if we want to add several icons? What we can do, instead of doing it here in the app.xaml, what we can do is actually create a folder here for better organization. So let's call it resources. All right. And then let's create an Avalonia style. Let's call it icons. Okay, let's grab these two icons. Okay, we don't need the application resource anymore. Come here, so they should be inside style and style.resource. Okay, and now we can paste them all here. Now we have to upload that Avalonia style, and to do that, so style include and source. Okay, let's go to yes, source, and add icons. And then if we go to the main window, you can see that let's build it to make sure that they're still working. All right. Okay, as you can see, they're working. Okay, I want to add here a text block. Text block just to say text, and let's say path icon icons. Okay, and font weight bold. Okay. Okay, let's center it. Before going to the next one, we can also change the color here. For example, foreground green, foreground blue. Not this one. Okay, not the button, but the icon. Okay, as you can see. Now let's go to the second method, which is the Lucid Icons. So let's go to the NuGet package, and here let's find Lucid.Avalonia. Not .Avalonia. There's two, so we need this one that has version 1.6. Install it. So I need to go to the GitHub page in order to get the namespace. I can go from here, so click here. Okay, here is it. So in case we want a particular icon, we can search there. Wait a second, first, okay, installation finished, namespace, wait a second, before we need to, yeah, that's it. We just need our namespace. Let's go to the view here. Let's add it, let's just, okay, Lucid is enough for me. Lucid, all right. And here, so all right. And now let's add the .lucid, okay, icon. So let's go back to, let's say plus. Okay, we need to build Ctrl-Shift-B. Same time here, so icon, okay, we have the, changing the color is called stroke brush. Okay. Okay, here it is. So we set for changing the color stroke brush. Oh, not here. Red is an example. Okay. Let's add it inside the button. Let's copy it. Add it here, but let's go to the library here, view all icons, and find something. Let's say clock. Okay, okay, just named clock. Horizontal alignment center. Okay, and that's it for the Lucid icons. That's how we add icons. Okay, let's go next to the MahApps icon. I think it's called, or MahApps. So All right. So first thing that we need to do is actually installing the package. It's called icon pack dot wait a second. Okay, dot Avalonia. Okay, this one, install it, and also I need to go to the GitHub repo to get the namespace. Okay. Okay, this is in the view, and we add this in the app.xaml. Okay, let's copy this. Let's go app.xaml inside here, paste it, and go back to the. Alright, copy this. Let's go to the view. Let's call it just Mah for, I think, for my icons. Wait a second. Yeah, so here we called it Mah dot just copy this. Alright, so we need to build. Alright, so we're going to center it. And let's change the color for ground. Dark green. Okay, let's add it inside the button. Okay, let's go back here. So browse all available icons here. What? Can be found here. Okay, when I install it. If I click on the image, now just a GIF. That's weird. I click B, it goes to A. I click A, it goes to B. Or they mean inside the repository? Okay, I think they are separate. Mm. Mm. Add. Okay, it's the plus button for adding regular plus. Okay. Background transparent and horizontal alignment center. Let's change the color to something different. Brown. Okay. So we have PathIcon, Lucid Icons, and MahApps. So now we need to add custom icons. Okay. Let's copy this text box. Custom icons. Okay. Right now for custom icons, Avalonia has or supports only or doesn't support SVGs. To add SVGs, you need an extra package which is avalonia.svg. But right now I'm going to load two images or two icons. One is PNG and the other one is SVG, and show you how to show it. First thing that we're going to do is here. Let's load our icons. Existing items. Let's go to what are they? Okay, this one and this one. Copy. Okay. And now what we need is, let's upload the first one. Let's add the PNG. Okay, it's image. And then source. And then let's go to browse to our resource and add that image. And that's it. If we build, so it's going to be big or going to decrease it. That's where it's not showing. That's weird, even though it's not working. So what's going on? Let's run it and see where is the error. System input file not found. The resource couldn't be found. Really? That's weird. So let's right click on it. Property. Build action. I don't know. So copy if newer. Let's build. Okay, still same problem. Let's change it to resource here. Actually, this is weird. It didn't make problems before, so this is weird. For SVG, it doesn't work because Avalonia doesn't support it, so it will not be able to work. If you try to run it, you will see that you will get an error. As you can see, okay, actually it's not, the issue is here, it's saying not found. Okay, wait a second. Let's remove them. Let's add them in the asset. Let's go to download. Here and here. Copy. Okay. Let's start with the first one, the PNG. Oh yeah, it's not here, so we have to go to asset, and then okay, we can see that there is no yellow squiggling. Okay, it's working, just it's big, so with 224. Okay, let's add it inside a button. Okay, let's copy it. Okay, but we're going to change it to the SVG, so let's change this background to transparent and horizontal alignment to center. Okay, so here we can't add the SVG, it's not going to work. So let's build. As you can see, it didn't change to the search, and even if we run, as you can see here, there is an exception unable to load the bitmap from provide data. So the easiest solution is to convert it into a PNG, which is by right-clicking here and go to tools and then convert it to PNG. And that's it. Now we can do just add .png. Right, build. It should be enough. All right, as you can see here. So these are the 4 ways to add icons. And that's it for this video. See you the next time.